that pikin. Drop that pikin or I'll fire you.
Why are you please?
Drop that pikin.
My baby, please. Leave my baby, my baby. My baby, please, my child. Leave my child alone. My child. My baby. My baby.
If you come close, I'll fire you. If you come close, I'll fire you.
My baby.
I'll fire your leg.
Leave my baby. My baby.
You are welcome to your father's land.
You're welcome.
Igwe, they have killed me. Igwe, they have kidnapped my child.
Kidnap?
Yes.
No, wait.
Igwe, the kidnappers are asking for a ransom. And they say if I don't pay, they will kill my child. Igwe, that is my only child. Please. I'm just a farmer. Where will I get that kind of money? Igwe, please, I beg you. Please.
Wait, who will kidnap a child from his mother?
This is an evil act. And I'm just hearing this for the first time. Do you have the contact of the kidnappers, like the numbers they use in calling you and demanding the ransom?
Yes, Igwe, they are ever calling me. Igwe, they are calling me.
Hello?
Yes. You not ready to make the payment? Or make I bring the Peking cops call in your palace?
No, please. Calm down. I will pay the ransom. But please do not hurt that child. How much is the ransom?
15 million.
15 million? Why? That's too much.
You did too much. You know, see your mouth. You did too much. Eh? Okay. As you did too much now, you go use the money take bury the Peking.
No. Calm down, please. Don't mention anything about burying the child. I will give you the money. Please, do not hurt that child. I beg you in the name of God, please.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Listen to me. Eh? I go send you the location where you go put the money. For your own good. For your own good. No involve the police because you don't want to make I vex. If I vex, I go shoot all the Peking with it for you. I don't send you. I don't send your papa. I don't send your mama. You hear me so?
No. I promise you, I will not involve the police. Don't kill her. I will wait for the information.
I better shut up. Nonsense.
Please, I need to talk to my child. I'm only trying to beg you.
Woman, please, calm down. I will make sure your daughter is safe. I will pay the ransom. Yes. I will make sure that every child in this community is safe. And everyone is safe. I'll do my best.
To keep me alive. Thank you.
Your Majesty, I am still in shock to know that someone can actually enter this community and kidnap a child. I mean, I'm trying to figure out what the person intends to gain by committing this evil.
Oh no, I don't understand. I mean, I'm also shocked. I just wish I could get these people, arrest them. This is wrong.
Your Majesty, why did you agree to pay the ransom so simply when we could have invited the police, tracked the kidnappers, and gotten them arrested?
Yes, I understand. I would have done that. But the truth is, I don't want them to kill the child. They told me on the phone, do not inform the police or they will kill the child. They told me. I don't want anything to happen to the child. So I don't have a choice. I had to agree to pay the ransom.
Your Majesty, your reasons are good. They are good, very good. But I think we should still try to track these kidnappers, get them arrested, and send them to jail.
I agree with you.
Hey! Reload the door!
Hey! Money dey distant. Money dey armor. On action, no stress. Fast money, no stress on action. No stress on action.
Hey, BG! This Igwe get money.
Now so!
This Igwe take money, they sew boxers.
Now so!
Hey! Man, I dey happy say na him be the current king. My guys, we have gotten the right connection.
Go, go!
Hey! Make I peace! Make I peace! Hey!
That one not your brother.
Pepe! Now you dey ask this kind of question? We go pack more children, join them so that they will get more company.
No be lie. Johnson no be Johnson man.
My guys, more children.
More money!
More children, more money.
More
Money!
Madam, I am happy. I'm happy that we're able to get your daughter back to you. I promise you that this will never repeat itself again. It's okay.
Igwe, thank you so much. Hi, Igwe. Wow, the gods continue to enrich and bless you. For doing what no one could do for a poor farmer like me. Igwe, see my daughter, she's alive. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
Igwe, may you live longer than your ancestors.
Okay. The kidnappers have entered our village. Yes.
Choma, which kidnappers? Where? Which village?
Can't you hear the sound of the gun? Are you not hearing anything?
Wait, I heard it. I thought it was the police people now.
For what? It's the kidnappers. They are picking children from house to house. It's the kidnappers. It's not the police people. Jump.
Like animals in the bush, human I love you, not live in the bush. Plugging life in the bush, human are going back to them ages. Dark ages, staring us back in our faces. Nobody seems scared to know what we are first grade. The barbarians are back in town. The hooligans are back in charge. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Living a life every day in fear. Love unthinkable. Oh, na na. Lord of mercy. Like we're living in a jungle, jungle. We're living in a jungle. We're living in a jungle, jungle. We're living in a jungle.
Make we move!
Alright, let's move. One leg, one leg, one leg.
On the way me way, on a phone room. Chipwa na kangware wachi, on a bawa modi, on the rimuni na room. Chipwa na kangware wachi, chimepwa na kuwacha mochi.
So, it has to be good. I know it's every day you will. Sweet. Are you deaf? I said speak. Come. What? 7 kids has been kidnapped. What is going on? Not again.
Come on, keep quiet! I go inside the play for you. Inside the play. Huh? And the play, and the man go to. My
Oh no, we cannot continue like this. Oh no, we cannot continue like this. What is going on? What is going on? Something has to be done. When are we going to do something about this? Is it when they kidnap all the kids in this kingdom? What is happening?
Your Majesty, we have to do something immediately. Something urgent has to be done. I mean, we can't continue this way. We can't continue paying ransom to these evil people. We pay, they come back again. They take more, we pay. They come and take another set, we pay. Your Majesty, this has become business for them. No, we have to stop it. Something has to be done urgently and now.
Oh no. I need you to summon the entire cabinet. Yes. Tell them we have very important meeting. I need to see all of them. We need to find a lasting solution to this problem. Enough is enough.
Your Majesty, immediately. We can't wait. We can't wait. The meeting has to be immediate.
Oh yeah, everybody. If I hear any of my voice now, I will go to my head and we can't go give all those ritualists. That's what I said like, una come play abi? Una come play abi?
Auntie, I want to go home.
Eh?
my mommy.
I said, you shut up for me. What do you call me? Auntie. She call me auntie. Auntie, I family you. I know who be your family. You dey crazy. No.
Listen.
Where your mommy dey?
Listen.
Where your mommy dey?
Oh yeah.
Say one thing. Oh yeah, come now, come.
No. You come here now.
I said, oh yeah. Say we dey play for you. Say we dey play.
You're mad. Next time when you go tell me say you want to, I will kill you. I'm not going to get out of here. Get out!
Now why I be this so? She said just jazz.
Like say we go use this one head, go give that ritualist. No. So police are make money because no one said.
The hooligans are back in charge. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Living a life every day in fear.
This is too much. Tell me to calm down. This is too much. Calm down.
Everything is okay.
Tell me to calm down. It's been 4 days. 4 days since I hired the police and nothing has happened. No result. My problem is I do not want anything to happen to any of those children. Because it will bring shame on my reign.
Your Majesty, calm down. You have to calm down. You are the king of our kingdom. Listen, we still have some time. We still have time. Let us see what happens between now and before the end of next week.
Yes.
I am very confident that the police will apprehend them and bring them to justice.
How sure are you? How sure are you that it will happen now? Eh? I mean, the threats and the cries are beginning to affect me. It is too much. Eh? I don't know how to explain it.
Igwe, help us. Igwe, we are dead. Igwe, our children have been taken away from us. We have searched everywhere, yet we can't find them, Igwe.
You mean they've been kidnapped?
Yes.
Not again. Elders, what is going on? Huh? How many are they?
They took 3 other children. 3! Alongside my 2 children, my 2 only children. Igwe, they are my home. I will just die, Igwe. Igwe, please help me. That's all I live for. Please.
Why, Mechion, keep quiet. Did that? I think Mechion. You don't know who rejoices on. What do you mean by Mechion? They took my children. If it is those who do your own work that they kidnap, I will not talk. If not for her. They are your own children. Will you shut up? Will you shut up? Okay. So my lord. Well, you think His Majesty is just sitting down here and the elders then we are just discussing? Do you know the amount of work we have put into this? I have assured you that we will get your children back to you alive. Is that not enough? Yes. What is all this noise all over the place? Igwe.
Listen, please calm down. I promise you, I will do everything within my power to make sure that your kids will get back to you alive and sound. Alright? Yes.
Thank you.
May you live long, Igwe. Thank you, Igwe.
Everybody, I'm gonna walk. What the hell? If I hear any noise from here, I go cut on her head. Now go give that on her stupid Igwe. Where no get sense. That on her Igwe where no get sense. You where they look me like thief. What's it be your name? What's it be your name? I said,
my name is Subtai. I want to go home. I want
to go. Pepe, you say you want to go home. Mo carry and go as.
Mama, if you let them, when matter don't go.
Oh yeah, come go as. Ma show you road the way you go take go as.
Shut up!
Close your mouth. Oh yeah, close your mouth. See what they make me the verse? I know they like me person, they make me verse. As they do me now, I say I want keep person. But they do me keep person. No. But they do me keep person.
Mama,
you want that? Now your head. I say make you shut up. Now your head, I will go give that to my stupid Igwe. When I head they bring money. So now your head go be the head where I will give Igwe. You see they cry? Where my God?
Joe's going to be Josie man.
Not try am again. Not try am again.
Lady. I will say they don't talk.
Chop waiting. Not be only chop, not chop alone. What do una want chop? Una dey hungry? Una want chop? 1 week una no go chop anything. Because una head no dey bring money for here. So una go stop and una go respect me. Say yes, man.
Yes. Come on, run, keep quiet.
Oh yeah, hold your hand for your mouth. I say make you hold your hand for your mouth. Guys. See we guys stay very, very careful, yeah? Word don't reach me, say I say make una shut up. Word don't reach me, say vigilante people will track our spot. So we guys cover these children, now ghost mode they so.
Mama, see you now. You don't believe me? Listen, I don't see everywhere where police them supposed to track us. So you understand? Everywhere don't they see on how they talk to you like this, I don't set 1 or 2 traps for police. So. On how they enter, you don't believe me, maybe it's John.
Why I can't call you for this my game now? I trust my guys now. Una know what's up. Oh, you can carry them go there.
Oh yeah, everybody stand up. Max!
Max! Jones will not be Jonesy man.
Stand up! Max! Master!
Jungle, we're living in a jungle. Survival of the fittest. The fittest, trampling on the weakest. Lord have mercy. Like animals in the bush, human I love you, not live in the bush. Plucking life in the bush, human are going back to them ages. Dark ages, staring us back in our faces. Nobody seems scared to know what we are first rate. The barbarians are back in town. The hooligans are back in charge. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Living a life every day in fear. Lord, have mercy on your people. Oh, no, no. Lord, have mercy.
Your Majesty, this thing is getting out of me. I got no number in Chabanya. There's no will be in the river and soap will enter our eyes. I think we should hire some policemen. Let them train more vigilantes for us.
Yes.
If they are in different strategic locations in this our community, maybe they will see these kidnappers when they are coming to take those children and apprehend them.
Yes.
I support what you just said.
I agree. Igwe, we need more policemen in this community. We need them at every nook and cranny of this community. See, I know that these kidnappers are humans like us, exactly. Not some kind of ghost or spirit.
Alright. So how many policemen are we talking about? Because I want these children safe and returned back to their family in one piece. I am tired of all this. How many policemen do you think will be enough to solve this?
I think 80 policemen will be enough. Some will be at the entrance and others at important places of the village. And like what Ike just said, we will need new vigilantes to support.
I agree with you.
Welcome to your new home. I hope you arrived safely.
Tired.
Shut up! One more word from you all. I will make sure say I slice you now into pieces. Hold the lips! Hold it! If I hear those we like mosquito, I go cut on our legs come out. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now close your mouth.
Sir.
Hold it.
Yes.
See, I know they hear those we like mosquito. Just hold your mouth now. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now before I count you, shut up. 1, 2, shut up!
That's what they tell me. Say they check up food this village. We'll manage bring them here with no trees.
Smart one. But that one no be waiting I want now. You need to tell your Igwe make he drop our money.
Sure.
Because we no get time to waste time on a surprise time. Or I go cut off one of these picky head. Carry and show am as say we know they joke for this jungle.
No, you never reach that one. Just calm down. We go pay the money. As far as say the king begin to hear all these villagers they cry for their children rescue, he go surely pay the ransom. Just relax.
Sure.
Another thing be say this pikin wey be like oyibo something where they just come out from one kind place. I know say that pikin no put trace because as I dey see that pikin, the eyes of that pikin no clear. Because that pikin be like when a person I go first kill o.
No. We all are tired. We make sure say no trace. You no see anywhere to escape.
You no trace.
You no fit escape.
Now, they move now. No.
Like animals in the bush, human are loving, not living the bush. Plucking life in the bush, human are going back to them ages. Dark ages, staring us back in our faces. Nobody seems scared to know what we are first wait. The barbarians are back in town.
Hey, my Igbo. I say money to this village. I know how much I don't make. Money to this village. But get us body they do me. Keep person. I want keep person.
Mama sympathy.
You know they get sympathy for Zangana.
Mama drop one now, make them believe now.
Hey! They enter. I say body they do me. Keep person. Where my beer?
Bye. Standing by.
Arrange the beer.
Otilense.
Your father. Your real dad. Hey, Ibariba, somebody boo.
Come on, not waste this bullet. Drop her for one person body. Make them believe.
Make her just go shake. Money dey this village. I don't want to waste person, yes. Money dey me very important because get us I want take I just want take that father. To the Chris. Bastards. Where my beer now? Wetin dey play? Oh, hey God. Hey God. We gas invade.
I'm tired of this place. They barely give us food or water to drink, and also they treat us as if we are criminals, which we are not. I wish there's a way for us to just go out of this place. I'm tired.
Me too. But Lady G will be very, very glad to behead us and send it to the Igwe.
You're right. I don't want to die. I want to go back to my mommy.
I wonder if Igwe even owes them.
I think I have an idea of leaving this place.
Tell me. Just tell me.
What? What are you people discussing? As you go through, you hear me, so?
Yes.
Make sure, say, not leave any trace. Make sure, say, nobody locate out for this place, for this zanga. You hear me? Where you move? Move!
You're hungry. Yeah, look like a restaurant.
Hello, you doing? Unless you shut up your mouth, I will give you this food if all of you will cooperate. What did I say? And if you don't cooperate,
Yes, sir.
No, get quiet!
Yes, sir. I'm hungry, sir.
Honestly, I don't know what's happening in this village anymore. I don't understand. The kidnapping case is getting out of hand.
I understand. I understand how you feel. Given the fact that your sister was kidnapped. But I heard that the Igwe is planning to deploy policemen into this matter.
Lily, do you think deploying policemen is going to be the best alternative? Because I heard they are fully armed.
I understand how you feel. But my father told me that the policemen Igwe is planning to deploy into this matter are experts in that area. So they are ready for these kidnappers.
Like, seriously, I don't know who is responsible for this. It's getting out of hand, Lily.
Are you suspecting someone in this village is responsible?
Is it not obvious? It's becoming scary.
Nne, I think we should get going. Because the village is not safe. Even here we are not safe. And the walls has ears. Pico, let's go.
Let's go, my friend. You're looking fine today.
I wish the police could just find us.
Yes. The people are I hate them. They are very wicked. And they don't care how bad they hurt us.
Look at my shoulders. My shoulders are paining me. I wish I could go back to my mommy.
It's okay, sorry. You guys should reduce your voice so that they don't hear us, especially Lady G, because she's very mean. And she don't mind cutting off our head off. Or kicking us in our stomach. So please, you guys should reduce your voice, please.
I pray the police finds us and rescues us.
I don't want to die here. I want to go back to school.
I don't think I'll ever go back to school. They took me away from home, like an animal.
I wonder if it's a crime to be a child. I miss my mom and my dad.
Me too. We all miss our parents. It's okay. You guys should reduce your voice. Please, just I beg you. You guys should stop crying. Not making noise. I beg you, please. Please, at least if we stay calm, Lady G would come and beat us.
Yes.
Or kick us.
You're right.
I always have a way that we must surely leave this place.
Yes, I think she's right. Let's stop crying or begging them to take us home.
Yes.
Instead, let's act as if we don't care.
Yeah.
So they'll feel we have no intentions of running.
Yes, and I'm not going to cry anymore.
Me
yeah.
too.
That's a very good idea.
What's the apple?
Please, not me. Nothing, we're not saying anything.
Shut up! One person. Tell me what you want to discuss. I say one person. Una go collect.
Oh, please,
It's been 3 market days since our children were taken away from us forcefully. It hurts me so much that I can't find them. Ransom. I do not have money for ransom. And it hurts me so bad that I can't find my children. God of the poor, please deliver our children to us.
Amen. Father Lord, we have nowhere to run to.
Yes, Lord.
We have no one else to go to. Please, God, protect my children.
Amen.
Lead them out of the hands of their tormentors.
Amen.
Shield and protect them. For they may shield and protect them so that they return to me alive and in sound health.
Amen.
Lead them through, O Lord. For in Jesus' name I pray.
Amen. And amen.
I have a really strong feeling that our children are alive.
Me too. I pray that God will direct us to them and will bring them home safely. It's okay.
Any man or woman involved in this atrocity shall be put to shame.
Amen.
Shall be disgraced publicly.
Amen. Amen.
They sleep. How are they?
As it be like this, so when the gas enter that community, go pack all the children will be for you. Because it be like say that stupid, that goat, where they for there as their igwe, it be like saying to say we dey play.
I swear.
We no go just dey feed children like say we get one bank where they for here. No, we got to collect all the children so they go no say we know they play. No be Candy Crush we they do for here. You see that Igwe wey sit down for that in chair like Baba chair? He need to pay the ransom. He need to feel our wrath. Now so.
Lady Gigi, we know they joke for here nah. But if they solve, your word be like cigar wey no break. We go enter the town. Go scatter them. Even say make Igwe carry 100 ekelebe, oga, we go fall all of them down. What the shit? Tonight, children go cry. Mother go cry. Father go cry. What are they joke for here now? You touch me. You touch you and me. But I don't feel cry. Now so. Now small, we don't thief. Now so.
Lady G, can you be pepper? You know say I no dey like talk too much.
See, Lady J, that ego they whine on. That ego they whine on. You think say would they hear they play? Listen, if he not take time, he will see these children dead body. Do one after the other.
You see that ego? If I catch am for bad corner, he no go like me. He no go like me at all. As e be like this, I will go pack all the old children now, eh? If he not agree, we go behead one. We'll carry and go mount for in palace for there, so that he go receive our warning. He go be like, we go block place am for there, so he go know say we not come here complain. He dey play, he dey show. They mad. Who dey Zuzu? Who dey Zazuza? Who dey Zuzuze? What's the grace?
Hey! Lady G. G stands for general. I like you, Sha, because your heart dey your leg. You no get conscience. But you no need to worry yourself. Now me be mask. As I no get face so, now so I no get conscience. So relax. You know what? Tonight we go storm that community. Go display our talent. Lady G. Pikin where they suck Bobby, we go tip am. Lady G. Pikin where they inside belle, we go thief am. We go thief all thiefable. You know, why some vigilantes they watch our back. I don't need reason you what to do now.
You know why I like you? You don't get face, but you get sense.
Hey, Chibete, I don't die. You don't know what they worry you now.
Lady G, you know say my name now, aka
Kai.
And if you say, mo just storm that you go, mo deliver am. As you no gree bring ransom, mo give a ransom.
Hey, Nightfall.
We will go prepare. This night, children go land. Mama go cry.
Don't son of a Johnson man.
You know the joke.
Lady G.
You know the joke.
Lady G. Living the bush. Blocking life in the bush.
As they do me like this, I want
ages.
Lady G, are they trick for
Dark
you?
ages, staring us back in our faces. Nobody seems scared to know what we are first grade. The barbarians are back in town. The hooligans are back in charge. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Living a life every day in fear. Lord, have mercy on your people. Oh, no, no. Lord, have mercy. Like we're living in a jungle. 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 Humanity sacrificed on the altar of economy. Greed is a calamity. Politicians them only care about the next election. What a pension is, them only care for them pension.
Boss! What did they solve now? What did they solve? Our body they prepare also. Which kind of thing be this one now? When this man go drop this money, these children now they eat us money, they chop too much. Even I want a full community would they spend money for here. Boss, I beg tell us what did they solve. This one don't tire me, oh. This one don't tire me. We don't get time to waste time on a surprise time like this. Just calm down. Calm down! Hey guys, I like the way you took those children. It is putting pressure on the community. The more children you take, the more pressure comes into the community. The king is restless. The entire community is restless. They will soon cave in and pay the ransom. I'm telling you. The community is tired of the police. They can't perform. Soon, they will ask them to go. And then, they will negotiate and they will pay the ransom.
Boss, you dey sure? How sure you dey for this money to drop for this zanga? See, boss, it be like say this man no understand the handwriting when they work. In the final, they find breeze. You don't see who they find breeze? Instead of her to drop money as easy as we demand the ransom in the finals with the police. See, the more when they find us, the more when they cause kasala for this community. Because these children will go still they starve them, they no go chop. Who won't use their money they feed unknown children? We not dead you. In fact, may this money drop because as I did like this, I don't lose my temper and we never use one bullet for any of these children. I feel like wasting one.
Hey, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Make sure none of these children die. I have a plan A. If it doesn't work, plan B will work. If plan B doesn't work, then plan C will work.
I hear you say. Something tells me that those groups of kidnappers are in this forest.
Are you sure about that? Because that place you're pointing at leads to nowhere. I think we better go back now.
I'm very sure.
Are you sure? Are you sure of this land? And
I'm very sure.
Did you know that this is evil forest?
Or did you
need a prophet to preach to you that this is an evil forest? Eh?
Come, let's go.
Go where? I think it's better we go back from here. We have gone enough. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go back from here. We have gone enough.
I will give you money to feed the children. Feed them as long as I want. Now, relax. The money is coming in millions. Beyond your imagination. Guys, let us drink and celebrate.
Well, boss, you make sense, Sha. We still appreciate the fact say you carry drink on. But I want me you still comprehend say we are not into this business for drink or food. No. Now money we need. You understand?
Make it flow.
I want make you comprehend say we need this money like real fast. We know the joke. We get 1 or 2 to run with money now. Or some money I got win money
for where?
What's up now?
Too much cappings, no the food basket.
So you think say me I no dey the business for money? You think say they sleep for house? You dey crazy? You should say you near me for once you. Idiot.
Lady G, you know one put mouth for this matter.
What mouth you want put?
Too much cappings, no the food.
Guys, make we drink.
I go soon come up for character.
Guys, come on here, drink.
I'll come up for character.
No, are you sure? Go they marry.
Money they come.
No, make we marry.
Money they come. Money they come.
Throw for me, throw for me, throw for me, throw for me.
Pepe, I know say you want to win. Pepe.
Throw for me.
Trigger happy for you. Trigger happy.
Hey!
I join you.
I don't like this. I mean, this whole thing is so tired. Huh? I mean, I feel for the helpless vigilantes. Every day, one excuse or the other. It's going on below. What is the problem? The policemen are there. All they ask from me is money, 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 and they're doing nothing. I am tired.
Your Majesty, you don't have to be. You are the king of this kingdom. You don't have to be tired. And, Your Majesty, as for those corrupt police officers, because it's obvious they are corrupt, I think we should send them away, so that the Commissioner of Police can send a team of more dedicated, vibrant, energetic police officers to combat this crime.
Do you think that would help? Because I don't get it. 80 policemen cannot even catch these kidnappers. Talking about these kidnappers, who are they? Are they ghosts? What is happening? What is going on?
No, I don't know. I don't know, Your Majesty. I wish I can catch those kidnappers with my bare hands. I wish I can get them so that I will tear them into shreds, one by one, kill them with my bare hands. Because of what they have done to me. My only brother's son was kidnapped.
No, please. Don't cry. I know how you feel, right? But I assure you we will rescue them. Just calm down.
I know.
Calm down.
Boss, which kind thing be this one now? Which kind matter be this one? Boss. Tell the Igwe that make you reason us our money now. It is that we come here and come joke. All these children when they hear, all of them now they hungry too much. You hungry put their body.
Jones, you don't do.
Boss, no, small thing now. All these celebrity people now go come for us. You understand me? We don't come here and make we come joke now.
See, that thing where you dey talk, I no go fit tell am. I no go fit tell am now. Because him go begin fit dey look me say my hand dey the matter.
No, they tell us this one now. How you gonna tell us like this now? Make you go comply now. Make you give us our bar now. You know say if this thing don't give us our bar, this thing now we have big problem. You understand? All these children they talk too much, especially that yellow one. You understand? You want make I just finish that yellow one before you gonna say hey, the money go drop. No. I know they joke for here. You know they joke for this business, so. Go tell Igwe because I go finish one pikin here now. I go just fire one pikin for leg now. He go hear am.
I go get time we reach on, I go tell am. See, I won't make we drive am reach until he ready to pay the money. He go first lose confidence for police. Then he go pay the money. I give you on my own, I collect my own, everybody they happy.
Go tell Igwe because I go finish one pikin here now. I go just fire one pikin for leg now. He go hear am. He say we go pay for here.
Hold the children, no let anyone die. They give them food. The thing one I go eat, I go drink, I go provide them. You hear me? Anyhow, go police waka for this matter. I go tell you. I dey the center, I dey inside. I know everything. So make una no fear about police. They no go reach where una dey at all. Make sure say your phone you dey charge am well. Na so e be.
Greetings, my king. I hope you slept well.
What kind of question is that? What kind of greetings is that? When the kids are still held hostage, how can I sleep well? I gave you and your team so much money. But you won't do anything and you're asking me if I slept well.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I will make sure I and my men takes them down.
Better do that. Listen, I want this to be the last time I will have this kind of conversation with you. Look for them. Find them. Bring the idiots to me in this palace. I'm running out of time.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Jones.
What's
in the yarn? What's that useless man the yarn?
That man the yarn poor. Wetin the man the yarn I no understand. He talk say him and Igwe won't do one or two so that they go feel release money. Say Igwe see the thing and the reason when they go even feel give us money. Now I tell and say no time to waste time on a surprise time. Make they no come delay our time.
I no go understand. Which kind useless thinking be that one? Say that they think. Oh, they see they think. No worry. Be like say we go kill all those children to go pack put the parole for their roads there. But they know say we no get time to think time. We know they think. We know they reason time. Time not there for here now. Be time there for here.
For
time
where?
there for here.
Nobody carry watch now.
We go kill those children. We go kill them.
Lady G, I trust you. I know what you go feed do now. Make I throw away for you. We know they joke for here. But we will know to enjoy these children. No, make them no come get infection. We go come make them die. We will not go see our money again. No.
I don't understand, Jones. I don't understand you. If they directly consign us, we go move go another community, go kidnap all their children. Sure. If let's say don't they get conscience. So.
No, I know for where.
You don't they get conscience.
I no get conscience.
If you like say you get where you plant money.
Me? For where? For
you
this.
You don't they thief my money.
Why you go there talk like that? I they thief your money.
Pepe! You get where you keep money?
Mama, we dey look for money.
Because if let's say just don't time for this work.
For where?
Mama,
tire.
Did you see these people think say we dey play for here? See me we ratata two children, make we use and send them message. Make them know say we need this money. See my blood they hot. You don't tell where we dey cap this matter now. Make we share money now.
You dey reason the way why they reason. More we just kill some children, more we just go give them, make they understand.
Pepe, what you talk? Illegit. But we will still reason our money. And them be our money.
Jones.
Oh.
Let's say don't they get conscience.
I know they get conscience.
Don't they get conscience?
I know get conscience.
Don't they get conscience?
I know get.
Jungle, we're living in a jungle.
Sunto, I think it's high time we organize ourselves and run away. We need to escape because I don't think the Igwe will pay for the ransom and our parents are poor. The police, they don't know where we are right now. So the best solution is running away.
You're right. That is a nice idea. But it's risky. Yes. What if they catch us? Yes. Don't And this one we are under Lady J's care. If she finds out that we are running away, she's going to cut off our head. She doesn't mind doing it.
Calm down. There's always a way. And wait.
What?
Remember Dema leaves, right?
Yes, Dema leaf. Yes, I remember. It's a leaf. Dad taught us how to use it. Yes, it can save people.
Do you know what this is?
No, Daddy.
Oh my. Wow. When we get home, I will tell you what it is and its use. One step at a time. Now, my children, like I said earlier today in the forest, this right here is the dema leaf, also known as the rescue leaf. Very powerful.
What does it do?
Good question,
Yes, Daddy.
Somto. Good question, Kasarachi. You see, when someone is in pains and you need to put the person to sleep to ease off his or her pains, all you need to do is squeeze the liquid from the dema leaf and put in the person's food or drink. After the person must have consumed the food or drink, the person goes snoring.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
Wow.
And then the reason why it's called the rescue leaf, if you're in trouble, in danger in the forest, lost, and you don't know your whereabouts, all you need to do is you make a circle with your toe. Huh? Take the dema leaf, put in the circle, you move forward, you make another circle, put the dema leaf continuously, and believe you me, the search team will find you in due time.
That's nice. Wow.
Yes. Somto,
Yes, Daddy.
what is the first use of the dema leaf?
You said it's used for making a wounded person who is in pain to sleep.
Good. Good. Somto, do we have to chew the leaf?
No, Daddy. You said you squeeze it out of its water and you put it inside the patient's food or drink.
Good.
Or water.
Good. Kasarachi, what other uses is the dema leaf known for?
You said it's used to leave a trace. When you're in trouble or lost in the forest, you need to use your toe and make a circle with it. Yes. And put enough dema leaf in it.
One dema.
No, enough.
I'm proud of you. Proud of you, my children. I'm so proud of you. Okay.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
How are you?
Hi, Mommy.
So I can see that your father is busy in teaching only the children how to hunt. I hope you also teach me how to hunt.
Well, we are going to put that to a vote. So what do you think, Kasarachi? Should I teach her how to hunt?
Teacher, small, tiny.
Okay,
Yeah.
Somto.
A little.
Oh, okay. In that case, I will also cook a little.
No! Sorry.
We'll teach you everything. Yes, everything. The whole, everything. It's alright. I need to cook your food.
Okay, alright.
What is okay, Mommy? Don't help your mother in the kitchen. Run alone.
You're a
Run
girl.
alone.
You're a girl. Go.
Come with me.
Don't help your mother in the kitchen.
So how do we get the dema leaf now?
I think I saw one where we used to put. Yes, it's not enough, but we need to use it to at least get off the G watchful eyes.
Yes, we can manage it. Yes, we can. How do you mean? How can we do it?
Okay, here's the plan. I will pretend as if I want to poo. Then I will plug
Use
the
your
leaf.
voice.
Yes. Then I will plug it. I need Lady G to consume some. so we can escape. Yes, so all of us can escape.
Yes, we need to escape.
Right?
Let's go back. Wait, you guys should hold on. What about the men? How can we escape from here? Right. How is it possible for us to give Lady G the leave? It's not possible. Because this is really going to be difficult. It's going to be.
If we believe we can do it, we will do it. Okay? Let's just believe us. So now,
I really want to be careful. I don't want to lose you.
Me too. I'll be careful, okay?
Hey! What's in the shop for the side? Yeah? Where you dey go? Where you dey go?
I just want to poo, ma.
Shut up, I'm gonna shut up on her mouth there. You say what?
I want to poo.
You want poo?
Yes, my tummy is aching, it's paining me.
What's be your name? What's be your name? I say what's be your name? I said, what's your name?
My name is Kasarachi.
As I look you so, Kasarachi.
Yes, ma.
Your eye no good. I know you.
Thank you, ma.
I know you. You want to outsmart Lady G?
No, ma. I'm not trying it, ma. Ma, sorry.
Yeah, move.
Okay, ma.
I said, make you move.
Please don't leave me.
Yeah.
What did happen?
Why you move? The press.
Come on, carry your catheter. Come on, make it.
Come on, the press.
Did she do anything to you?
You need attention.
Thank God. I can manage it.
Yes, it's okay. Yes, you can manage it. I just I just put this in my nose. Thank God. Thank God it's alive.
Gods of our land, things have been horrible since my daughters were taken away from me. I pray you lead me to them someday. I can't wait to see my girls again. Kasarachi, Somto.
Yes, Daddy.
You see this trap here? It catches animals 90% of my hunting time. Do you understand? And they are usually big. Yes.
But Daddy,
Yes.
how can you find the missing grass cutter?
Well, that's very easy. All you have to do is watch the trap from which it escaped from and then trail it.
Look there! I found one! It looks like the blood of an animal.
Yes, we did find one.
Yes!
My smart child, I want you to know that you carry so much powers. Do not limit yourself.
Okay, Father.
Daddy, thank you for always teaching us.
It's my duty to equip you with enough information. Okay? Now, if you guys are ready, let us go and look for our lunch. I am the bravest hunter in this community. And my children will never die in the hands of those evil kidnappers. A day shall come. I will find them. No man to the gym now, but you just pass me the play. You know, say Pepe, they are mad. Mad, I will shoot you here. I swear, if you try nothing, I will blast you.
What did they walk you? What did they walk you? Let me employ you for this business.
You know, sir,
you don't suppose get
I
any
get special
conscience.
law for this baby.
There's no conscience for here. If you want get conscience, you go your papa house. I go fire your leg. I go show you example for here.
Max.
I'm about to fire the pikin.
Max.
Hold this one. I'm about to fire. Man.
You don't do.
Max.
Take your time. More chow.
Sorry, sir.
The features, trampling on the weakest. Lord have mercy. Like animals in the bush, human and live in the bush. Plugging life in the bush, human are going back to them ages. Dark ages, staring back in our faces. Nobody seems scared to know what we are faced. The barbarians are back in charge. The hooligans are back in charge. What are we doing? Living a life every day in fear. Oh, no, no. Like we're living in a jungle, jungle. We're living in a jungle. We're living in a jungle, jungle.
How far? Any news?
That's it. The last time I heard, they've taken the children.
This is so painful.
They were dead. What have my kid sister done today now? I can't nobody be so wicked. My kid sister.
I understand. Please put yourself together, okay? I believe that the gods will not allow anything happen to your sister.
Lily, stop it. Lily, just stop it. And the ghost still alive. And the ghost still alive. They're still alive. Why would they allow this happen to my kid sister?
Don't say that. Don't say that. The gods are very much alive. Aggie.
Okay, fine, I believe you. Okay, let the gods be my kid sister back.
They will.
Let the gods be my kid sister.
They will. Just pull yourself together, please.
You don't understand.
I think if we team up together, we can oversmart the evil ones and run away. Yes, I think we can make it. Won't they catch us and kill us?
Don't say that. They won't. Even if they do, it's better we stay here and they kill us.
No. You know Daddy always say we can do anything. Yes. So if we put our mind in and trust in this thing, I think we can do it. We'll make it, okay?
So how can we escape? Besides, Lady G is always watching over us.
I know, but if we can put Demali into Lady G's food or water, I think when she sleeps at night, we'll quietly escape without informing the others.
Yes, that's true.
But what if they notice?
Won't they run after us and get us?
No, they won't.
All we have to do is to train ourselves in any good and bad situation. We all know that, yes, that Lady G and her crew, they are very strong and they don't mind cutting off our heads. But we need to believe in ourselves.
Yes.
So all we have to do now is just to put them ali in Lady G's food. And if she sleeps, we can run.
Okay. But how do we get out of here? Yes, me and my sister, we're actually familiar with the forest. But the only problem now is the Dema leaves. And if we see it, who is going to put it in our drink or food? Who will get it?
Yes, very soon.
What of the other guys?
We are going to put Dema leaf all our food.
Yes,
that's
true. It's true.
Who is going to put the Dema leaf inside their food?
That's true.
What is wrong? Everything is wrong. Everything is wrong, Binta. I came home again, and my children are nowhere to be found. Binta, I have been patient. I have cried, I have prayed, I have fasted, I have done everything a mother can do. Binta, I am tired. I don't know if this is my fate to lose my 2 children on the same day. I never find them. I am tired.
Who says you never find them? Don't you insult the gods of our land. I'm sure we are going to find our children.
When? When? Is it when I'm dead? Who did this to me? Who have I offended? Who? Oh, my children. My children.
Please, my love, take it easy on yourself. Because Biko, you are all that I have left. I don't want to lose you. Please.
Dinta, you are the best hunter in this kingdom. My love, you are the bravest. You know every place and hook in this kingdom. Please, find my children. They are your children too. Find them, Dinta. Please. Find my children, Dinta. Please. Who have I offended? Who have I offended? Who have I offended? Everybody come one.
Go down! What's the time?
I'll go fire your head.
Mom, please, come here.
You're sorry. Let's call you Chris. Oh yeah, everybody, frog jump.
Sure.
Frog jump. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hand for your ear.
Hey.
Which one be last? Oh God, no make me first.
I said shut up! Shut up! I said I said shut up your mouth! Man, I'll see you do that rubbish again.
Chris, I call you a complete candy crush. You mad? I did they spend money for the children. You no one bring money for us. You mad?
You know sir, get special love.
Yes! You mad? I could put up for your body. You mad?
Sorry.
May you maintain. Oga, everybody one leg. Oh yeah, they go. Move it.
Move it.
Oh yeah, come back.
Oh yeah, go back.
If you not do away, you go. Oh yeah.
Come back. Come back.
All the boys come from. Boys, oh yeah, front.
Come on, go down.
Go down.
Go down.
I'm not going to spend money for my front up.
Hello.
What is my
I said, make idiot.
Igwe, I think we should do something to track down these kidnappers and apprehend them so that you can stop paying this ransom. You know, you can't continue to pay ransom after ransom after ransom. It's not right. People might get the impression that you are in support of what is going on. Far from it.
The only reason why I do what I do is because I don't want anything to happen to these kids. I don't have a choice. You were there. You saw how much I called on that policeman. I gave them so much money and they couldn't do anything. What do you want me to do?
But we cannot continue to pay this ransom. We cannot continue.
No, I understand. But paying the ransom is the only way I can guarantee their safety. That is why I'm doing what I'm doing. Well, I need to make sure these children are safe.
Igwe.
Hold on.
Greetings, Igwe.
What is the problem? Why are you crying?
Igwe. Igwe, I cannot sleep. I cannot eat. I don't have rest. Igwe, I can't do anything knowing that my children are in the camp of the enemies. Igwe, please. Please help me. Help me get back my children, Igwe. Because I can't do anything. I'm completely useless without them. Please, Igwe. Please.
It's okay. I understand how you feel. I feel your pain. As a matter of fact, that's exactly what I was discussing before you came. I promise you, I am ready to do anything in my power to make sure the kids come back home. I am trying my best.
I don't have patience. I don't have patience. I'm tired of waiting. Igwe, I have been waiting. I'm a mother. I can't do without my children, Igwe. Igwe, I'm just going to die without my children. I'm going to die.
Hey, stop. Stop. What is your problem? Oh, you think we are sitting here just having a gist? Eh? I showed you that 2 markets ago, that in 2 market days that your children will come back to you. Every time you come here, you are crying. You cannot sleep, you cannot sleep, you cannot. Is it the way that will come and read nursery rhyme for you to sleep? No, enough from this woman. How old is too much?
No, it's okay.
What is this?
It's okay. Eh? I totally understand how she feels. She's a mother. It's okay. Please. Like I said, I will continue to do my best. But please, I need you also to assist us. If you hear anything, you see anything, or you suspect anything, I need you to let me know so that it will help the investigation. Huh? But for now, you need to stand up and go home.
Hey, get up, and you can go. We have important discussion.
Sorry.
Go. Come here, you are crying every time. You are crying. Is it the way that I kidnapped you?
It's different.
I understand. I understand.
What is going on? Who is the brain behind all this wickedness? Why is this person bent on bringing shame to me and my kingdom? Who did I offend? Everyday people are crying, children are missing, and the kingdom is turned upside down. What exactly can I do to help if not by paying the ransom? But my fear is they will continue to strike. Gods of our land, I am nothing but a young king. Please provide a lasting solution for me and my kingdom.
Sometimes, Kasarachi, they have wasted time. Hope Lady J has not caught them trying to pull the Malik inside the train. Because that means we're in big trouble.
I wish I could do magic and make them die so we can all run away. I think I should scratch so that Lady G would come, so that Reggie will go and check on Kasarachi and sons.
What? No, I cannot go there. Do you want them to kill me? I remember when Lady G hit me with her boots. My stomach is still aching me.
Then what are we going to do?
My sister, never you lose hope. I know what you are passing through because I've been there before. I know the ghost of our land will save your children and bring them back safely. Don't allow this thing to weigh you down. Stop, the children will come back safely. Stop crying, stop crying.
When?
They will come.
When? When?
The ghost of our land.
Have I not tried? Do you know how I have prayed and fasted for the safe return of my children? Do you know the promises I have made to the gods of the land to bring my children back?
I understand.
Do you know what I have done? Do you know how it feels to lose your 2 children? 2 of them. Two.
Before.
Amadio should just take my life. They should just take my life.
Don't say that. Don't pray for such. Don't pray for such.
Hey, I'm in pain. I'm in pain.
I know. Don't say it. See, life is pain. But never stop living. Never stop believing that the gods of Allah will not save your children and bring them back. Everything happens for a reason. And I believe the God will save your children and bring them back safely. Please stop crying. Everything happens for a reason. Stop crying. And I bring your children back safely. Stop crying. Stop. Come back safely. Stop.
Gods of our land, please hear my cry and save my children. They are the ones you used to bless my marriage. I have no other one or anywhere else to run to or to cry to. Do not let my enemies triumph over me. Kasarachi, Somto, I will find you. My chi shall help me.
They play for here. Una think they play for here? You fools! Huh? Una get the mind to send those crickets to escape from this camp. I can do it now. You decide they play for here? Yeah.
You can call something like Katarachi.
See Buga, see the morale where you get to ask me that nonsense question. See that your mouth. I go clear for you. You decide they play for here? Yeah? Now so you dey challenge your mama. Now so you dey challenge your mama, you fool. You fool. Huh? See, make I warn all of you now. I know they joke for this jungle. No, na be my fee. If anybody try to escape, I go cut his head. I go cut your hairs. I go show am Igwe and your mama. And especially you, when they look me like this. I go use your blood. They drink garri. If you don't know anything now, just know am. I know they joke. I know they joke. I know they joke.
Why did you keep them?
Are you mad?
Again.
They're mad. They're mad. When you come here back for our sick night, don't worry. You learn sing.
So una leave my sanga. Una want escape. Come on, body na join body. Especially you. Oh, na smally be this now. Them say it. I be you dey crazy. I dey talk to you, they look me. Oh yeah, me you lie down.
Lie down, so. Say we dey play for here.
Aya, as it be now, all of una lie down. Una go see. I don't get there. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. You dey press. I say, man, you lie down. You dey mad. I know the see una face, so I go tear una here na the press. Thunder fire una mama, una papa.
You are sorry. You are sorry. I know they like to hear sorry. I said, man, you go down. Go down.
Go down. Any pikin wey no wan make him mama rest.
He said no go rest. I said, man, you go down.
Go down. So we dey play here.
I dey play Candy Crush. No dey play Candy Crush for you. Now business we dey do for you. Don't dey fire una mama. I said, man, shut up your mouth.
Just go there and get some firewood. What are you doing? That's not how to pound now. Don't you see how I pound? You have to bend down. Bend your waist. Bend. When you grow older and you get married, that's how you pound. Let me have your phone. Okay, pound more. Don't get me nice.
Oh God! I put my trust in you. All my life I have never served any other God except you. Please, don't put me to shame. Guide and protect my children and every other child held in captivity. Please, Lord, I have nowhere else to go except you. I have nowhere else to run to. Please, God, protect my children. Keep them safe, oh Lord. Please.
The Igwe has finally accepted to pay the money.
He said last.
Good day!
Boss, are you serious?
You know they play for you
Good
now.
news, man. Boss, continue.
I don't hear good news. You know how much it is. So, I will inform you if there is any change. The money will not be followed. Nobody will track the money. I will make sure of that.
Oh, fine. We trust you.
We
trust you, man.
You know how much is involved and you know the sharing formula. That will be all. Boss, and the reason say make we do more kidnap. Make we still pack more children. Make this king give us more money.
Focus for your head.
You dey crazy, you be small picking. You say this business now for small people. When you collect this money finish, you release these ones. I tell you, make you go to the village square. By 12 noon, you go still see more children they play. Pack them. So,
Let me lie.
You think say this business now for small children?
I swear.
Forget how that work all they want.
I swear.
Nothing they worry you.
I am useless because I want to make money.
That's so.
People call me useless boy, but I mean the pepper where they ginger.
Okay, I forget.
No come up for character.
Tomorrow, 10 o'clock, same place. I'm watching your back.
Standing
Good
by.
night.
Standing by.
Boss.
Standing by.
You know the joke.
Make we guide you.
Just let me just sing, man.
We dey play for jungle. We dey play for jungle. We dey play for jungle.
Hey! I want children more money. Come on.
More children.
It's time. Two of you go back. Let me finish the work. I can't wait. Please take care of me. Take care of you. You know you're really good.
As I'm losing it, you're standing up, okay? Stand up. At least when we run, it will be morning. At least we have found a place that we can rest our head. At least we have found help. We are safe by that time, okay?
Where's Lady G? What happened to her?
There's no time for questioning, okay? Just follow my lead. Yes, this lead can rescue us. It's a rescue lead, I know it. I believe it can rescue us.
How can a common leaf rescue us?
Don't question. Just don't panic, okay? Let's hurry up. Hurry up. Follow my lead. Calm down.
Guys, wait. Well, none of you observe anything.
What be that?
We were just quiet like graveyard. Like, nobody they talk. No, nothing.
What do you expect, Max? You know where we did so? Balabu. Far away from Bula Blah.
No, people, on a normal day, they be like this now. At least you...
Wait, now that the reason mask matter now.
Reason with me now, brother.
Today we just get different. On a normal day, suppose they have those win like mosquito.
Wait. Be like inside the ear leg. Children don't escape. What did I say? Children don't escape. Hey! Children don't escape. Hey! Max! Hey! Max!
Pepe.
Jules! Knife! This children has run away from Bala. Far away from Bulaba. What is it?
Waiting make Max expose him face. Na strong thing.
What is the Soviet? What is the Soviet? Find out! Find out!
Pepe! What did they saw that? As I don't see any movement, any track.
These children, they use me, they play. These children, they use me, they play. Abi?
Just update me. Mask! Update me!
This is the last one. Oh, the last one. Oh my god. Make it simple, please. Yes.
You just brought us to the most dangerous place in this forest.
I know, but
what if wild animals attack us?
I know, but the gods of this land won't allow wild animals to attack us, okay? Until we get out of here, okay?
Yeah. I don't think if there's any more hope here because we're in the face of danger.
And this is the last day, Mali.
Yes, don't worry. Because
our rescue is here!
Look, if they're coming. Look, okay? Hurry.
Hey! This student on God! Why have you? Far away from Bulabla. This student won't try this better. Fox! I find the updates! Nice! Just! Ah! Nice!
Be careful.
I'm the man in this house.
No, that.
Now,
yeah, I'm second.
wait. You need to understand something. In the forest, your eyes must be always at alert. Okay?
Okay.
So, let's keep moving. Somto, carry this girl.
What did you give me?
Now,
baby.
Sorry, what did you call her?
Baby.
Listen, Somto, Kasara, that is why you must make Dema Leaves your best friend. Okay? Whenever you get confused or scared, you use the Dema Leaves so you can leave a trace. Alright? So that a search team or anyone who understands the forest will always find you. Is that understood?
Okay, Daddy.
Now let's move.
I'm the man. Second.
Jinx!
No. Let's take this direction.
I'm tired. Okay, do you expect them to come and kill us?
No, but let's take this. Keep quiet. Just calm down, okay?
Pepe, waiting the song. This thing don't be me. Don't be we that do this thing. The children. Hey, Matt.
Pepe.
These children don't do us valuable. But I be like this, we go find them. Where did they stop?
Pepe.
Ransom. What did I say? You know they talk?
If I get one of those speaking, I go rip up. I go rip up. What did I say?
Pepe, me where the reason say on how we collect ransom for these children head, I go quit this job. I go quit this job! Say let the go lose gas! Guy! I swear if I don't get, I go play the GG. I swear! If I don't get these children, I go shoot! I go play the GG!
Tell the GG not be the problem!
Why you don't get this beginning? Be quiet! Be quiet!
Everybody quiet. We will track the track. We must get them. This night, we must find them. Just keep searching till morning! No joking.
Pepe, if I not find these children, I go blow Lady G. Pepe! Pepe! Let Lady G press and find these children. If I not find...
At least I have something to show for hunting today. Not just one, but 3. 3 rabbits. Gods of our land, how I wish my children were not taken. I would have met them at home with their mother. So bad. All of them?
All of them!
They're complete?
They're complete!
What happened to this one?
Lady G, know they hear. And then I said, those things where in they smoke, make you know they smoke them. Small thing, these children for don't escape. for him own wash o. And I dey tell am say that toilet say e get the way where you go smoke am, e go gas you. I mean she no dey hear. Now she don gas out. If no be by the way wey we take run around this bush, these children will for no see them.
What's up? What's up? Boss.
Waiting happened to you.
What's happened? What's happened? Where are they? Where are they?
I say waiting happened to you. Now your carelessness now it make these children almost escape.
Escape.
Yeah? I say that your carelessness now make these children want escape. You won't spoil my own. I go woes you. To spoil my own, I go enter you. You hear me? Waiting they worry you. Waiting. Eh? You like cross? You won't spoil my own. Something that will worry you for head. Nonsense. If you want to take Ramadan, take. If you want to take Chinese capsules, take. Even if you want smoke toilet, smoke. But anything where you they do, make your sense they catch. You dey hear me so?
Yeah, you.
Anybody wey won't spoil my own, I go spoil am. Una know now. No dey waste time. This na my last business. If you cast, your life go cast. Idiot. All the children complete? Complete! Idiot. Now no worry. The money they come. Now we'll get on a share. Idiot.
Take Chris. You dey mad. The Chris. One time you dey mad, I go run enter you like the Chris.
Don't do now, lady. Everything will be fight.
I'm a million suffer! Where's the best class explosive first? That's what I'm saying.
Because come and eat something. If not for anything, for the sake of our love. Please.
How can I eat? When what our love brought to this earth are captives somewhere else.
My love, all hope is not lost. Yes, all hope is not lost. Do not give up on Archie. I mean, Archie is definitely not going to let us carry the cross alone.
Where was Archie? Where was Archie? When our children cried and screamed for help! Yes, they allowed the enemies take away my children, my pride! Where was Archie?
My love, shh, my love. Speak no more, lest you blaspheme against the gods. The gods are wise. Please, my love, do not panic. The gods makes everything happen for a reason under the sun. Please.
I don't know what I have done. What have I done? Who have I offended? What have I done? I don't know why the gods are punishing me.
It's okay. Say no more. Say no more. You have done nothing wrong. Please. Please.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Mommy, please! Mommy! Daddy! Mommy!
Why are you kids wanting to play smart with me?
We are not.
Please forgive us. Forgive us. Please. I beg you.
Not for the kind of money that is involved. I would have asked him to kill all of you. Hey! Shut up! Shut up!
Please. Please.
Now next time you try to escape. Next time you try to run away. I have given him power
to shoot all of These children talk too much. You talk too much. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Do you know me?
No, sir.
Shut up. Because you don't know me. That's why you talk too much. You think you're your father's house?
I'm missing my father.
Shut up! Now listen to me.
Please, my baby.
Shut up!
Mommy.
Hey, boss. Let them hear the sound of a gun.
Boss, I make sure I gather them in one place.
See, Jones, I want you to secure your surroundings. The king has invited more policemen. Yes. So you need to be more cautious. Ensure that you secure your surrounding.
Boss, nobody fit trace us. Our leg no get traceable. Where we dey na inside biggest forest where nobody fit enter. So that one, nobody go fit trace us.
Very well. Very good. And make sure that nothing happens to any of the children, okay? Yes. Just be patient. Tell them to be patient. That the king will soon get tired. I'm always with him at the palace. He will soon get tired. And then he will begin to negotiate and release money. Yes. I can assure you.
Nothing spoil, boss. We did the game.
But why? But why? I am the greatest hunter in this entire community. I have killed lions, elephants. I have conquered animals more dangerous than the spirits themselves. But why can't I conquer this enemy that has my children? Why? I am a child of the forest. I own the forest. I was born in the forest. My forefathers hunted the forest before my fathers. And I shall hunt the forest and leave it for my children. I shall search every nook and cranny of the forest in this community until I find my children. Enough is enough. Give it a mercy. Give it a mercy.
My king, I suggest to pay them off once and for all so that they will release our children to us. Because it's taken over a month and the police have no result to show for all the money we have been paying them.
I support what he's saying, my king. We should pay them so that they can release these children. So they wouldn't kill them.
If they release the children after paying ransom, the same children that you paid ransom to be released,
the same kidnappers will come to this village and kidnap them again. Does it make any sense?
Oh no! Oh no, I called you twice. You are saying all this because none of your children was taken.
My brother's son is also kidnapped.
Even though. But how long are we going to continue to wait for the police to come and arrest ghosts?
And who told you that the police can't arrest them?
How many have they arrested so far? Anyway, the best thing to do is to get more policemen to protect the village later. But for now, let us get those children out.
How do we get them out?
What other way if not by paying the ransom, of course?
Very good. We pay the ransom. Iche, are you going to allow us to sell your land, your parcels of land by the river bank, so we can from there raise money to pay this ransom?
No. Oh no, enough.
I did not call this meeting for us to quarrel. I called this meeting so that we can deliberate and talk about the issues that is disturbing this community. Security issues. And not to exchange words.
My apologies, Igwe.
You know what? I think it's best we just go back home. Come back here in 3 days. So that we can look for a way to solve all these problems. You know, maybe get more uniformed men and... As for the ransom, I'll pay.
Our ancestors will bless you great.
Why? Because you can't keep leaving me here. I'm scared. What if they kidnap me too? Just take me to the forest with you.
First and foremost, you're a woman. I want no hurt to come to you. Besides, I'm not going hunting tonight.
Then, where are you going?
I have thought about it over and over again. Something tells me that our children are in the deepest part of the forest and they are held captive there. If I seek for them, I'll find them.
Then, in that case, I will go with you. Just take me with you. I want to see my children too. Please, please my love, just take me. Please.
Oh, okay. Go in and change. You can't go into the forest with what you're wearing.
Okay.
Huh? But you don't look, change.
Okay. Now, I don't know who I have offended to make me go through this pain of losing my 2 children. I'm tired.
Obi, please stop. Please stop crying. For crying out loud, this is not your fault. Okay? Archie is not sleeping. Archie is alive.
Just tell me, for how long? How long? How long do I wait? I'm tired. What if they kill my children?
Did Emma leave? This is a sign. My love, this is a sign that our children are trying to communicate with us. Yes. See, our children are trying to communicate with us. And I believe that we are going to find our children.
Tita, are you okay? Huh? Just tell me, how can a leaf, a common leaf, be a sign from our children?
My love, you will not understand. Now, duck low. Let us follow the dema leaves. It will lead us to our children. Follow me. Come. Watch my back. What's the plan? You with me? Don't know. Palace is scheduled for a meeting tomorrow.
By the gods! Look, is that not Ono?
No, that can't be. Why will Ono be with such hardened criminals?
You all know what is involved. When the money comes, every one of us will be rich.
Super rich.
Come on for my room. Wait till
Lady G, what's up now?
I go enter you.
My love, look closely. For crying out loud, most of the vigilantes paid to protect the community, they are there. Look closely.
No time to waste time on a surprise time.
Sorry.
We're not a joke.
As soon as the money comes, you will release this set of children.
Okay.
And then by 12 noon tomorrow, some children will be playing at the village square. Go and kidnap all of them and bring them here.
Our talent now. Hey!
Because I don't want you to be rich. I want you to be super rich.
I don't know the vigilantes, but that can't be Ono. How can you say such a thing? Do you want to make the gods angry?
My love,
Ono is a very good man. Don't say that. Sometimes Ono can be harsh, but it's always for a positive thing.
My love, would you trust a man who can beat without a whip? Would you? Okay. Wait a second. I'll prove you wrong.
Super rich.
You know what is involved. You know what to do. I don't need to tell you how to do it.
Go. You see that?
Tinta! Tinta! Look at Kasara! Look! Tinta!
When the time is right.
Look at my babies!
When the time is right.
I swear.
Huh?
I swear.
All right.
Too much cap is only full bars.
Hey, Lady G!
No much cap.
I will play!
What did I solve? Yeah!
What
did I solve? How they play for you? Move out! What did I solve now?
Where are they?
What did I say? Papa! Mama, make her wait!
I say you go suffer am now. You carry yourself in the press. Oh yeah, make you lie down. Now you go suffer am now. You go suffer am. Hey, You don't do. I want to come for character. Now she be the ransom. And they go pay big money.
To God!
Swear!
If you let
Sell everybody for this their community, the ransom thing no go reach. This woman.
You can support
Hey, Lady G now! Lady G permit me!
I want to come for character.
Hey!
I want to come for character.
My son.
Yes, Father.
Do you know there's a secret tunnel that can lead you directly from this forest into the palace?
A secret tunnel?
Yes.
Father, I don't understand.
Well, that's an ancient secret where my great-grandfather told my grandfather. And it has been in our family lineage. Let me show you the place.
Secret tunnel? How is that possible? Shh! Yes!
What, Daddy? What happened? What happened?
I just remembered.
What?
There's a secret tunnel that leads from the forest into the palace.
Oh,
You will follow my lead.
Okay.
Now, let's go. Everybody stay close. Stay close. Stay close.
Yes. Shush!
How did you get here? My king, my father once told me about the secret tunnel that leads from the forest into the palace.
What?
Yes, my king.
You mean there's a tunnel that leads from the palace to the forest?
Yes, my king.
So,
I was able to use the tunnel to save the children. But my king, as we speak, my wife is still with the kidnappers.
Tita, tell me, who is behind this?
Greetings, my elders. Welcome. The king will be with you shortly.
I feel like take this thing.
Please.
You think you are joking here? You think you are joking here? So then I won't bring this to us over. You think they will hear this thing? Tell all these men we don't get on. I'm gonna blast this thing now. I don't get time. Tell me to Pepe. You hear me to Pepe. What the listen? What the listen?
Pepe, I'm no longer interested in the ransom. Make I blow this woman once and for all. Make I blow this woman!
Hold on. What did he say?
What's it?
I didn't hear sound. Move. If it... I will fire your leg now. I will fire you. I will fire your leg now. Come on, keep quiet. Keep quiet now. Quiet. Don't open your mouth. If you open this mouth again, I will finish you.
If you move, I'll shoot you. No shoot. Drop your gun. Okay, I'll drop your gun. I'll drop your gun.
Help me. My baby, hang on, okay? Hang on.
I'll tie her fast.
Yes. Sorry. Sorry. Stay with me. Stay with me. Officer, please, my gun. Okay. My gun. Stay with me.
They have arrested her. You? Officers, thank you. Thank you very much. Well done. But you see, we cannot say anything here now. His Majesty cannot say anything here. Put her in your vehicle, take her to the police station. We will come and meet you.
Exactly.
Yes.
Hold on, no.
Your Majesty.
No, quiet! Igwe. Officers. Your Majesty. The man behind all the kidnapping of this kid is my own way.
You are under arrest for the abduction of the children of this community. It's better you remain silent, or anything you do shall be used against you if you cut off now. Now move it!
It was only one she gave me money.
Move it! Move it! Move! Move!
Oh, no.
Move it!
No, no,
move! Move! Move it! Officer!
If only one.
Move it!
Lord have mercy. Like we're living in a jungle, jungle. We're living in a jungle. We're living in a jungle, jungle. We're living in a jungle. Survival of the fittest. The fittest, trampling on the weakest. Lord have mercy. Like animals in the bush, human are loving, not live in the bush. Plucking life in the bush, human are going back to them ages. Dark ages, staring us back in our faces. Nobody seems scared to know what we are first wait. The barbarians are back in town. The hooligans are back in charge. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Living a life every day in fear. Lord, have mercy on your people. Oh, no, no. Lord, have mercy. Like we're living in a jungle, jungle. We're living in a jungle. We're living in a jungle. Jungle, we're living in a jungle.